Hey guys, it's your guy Abdrazak Kotokiti. Today we're going to be looking at how to conduct hour of the day analysis in Excel 2016. So now what we're going to be doing is that we have a data set of purchase from a certain company, and we are asked to find out the number of purchase that was made between certain hour to a certain hour. Let's say, for example, now we should count the number of purchase that was made between 12 a.m. to 3 a.m., from 3 a.m. to 6 a.m., from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m., from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m., from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. So now, in order for us to count the number of purchase that was made within these hours, we first of all go to the sheet 2, and the first thing we do is that we first of all find the date value of this particular date time of purchase. So now the first thing what we'll do is that we use number value function to find the value of this particular date. Once you hit enter, you see it return 43481.682. the integer part of this is the date, while the decimal part of this, that is the 682, is the time. So now for us to find the time value, to extract the time value from this particular date time value, we subtract this cell minus the integer part of this particular cell. So for us to have the decimal part only, hit enter. So now we are able to get the 0.682, which represents the time value of this particular date. So now for us to do the same for the remaining data set, we simply double click it and it will return the time value for each of the data set. So now for us to convert it back to the time format, we simply hit control, you simply highlight this, then control 1, then and we format it to time. Let's say to PM, this. So now we are able to format it to a normal time value. So now we can see that 421, that this was the particular time this purchase was made. So now for us to do the analysis for this, to find the range of purchase between 12 a.m. to 3 a.m., we use the count if to count the purchase that was made within 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. Now in this case we can't use count if, we're going to use count ifs. Since we are going to look at 3 criteria, you use count ifs if you are going to make use of 2 criteria to determine a certain value. You use count if it's going to be more than 2 criteria, one criteria, you use count if. But you use count if it is only one condition, one criteria that you are having. So now we come here, then we first of all select our criteria range. We come to shift 2. What is our criteria range? This is our criteria range. Then select it, then you anchor it. After anchoring it, then you place comma here, then you first of all select, you use colon, then colon. Since it is great, we are looking at event that takes place after 12 a.m. that is greater than, then use ampersand, then you now select 12 a.m. then comma, then you copy this particular criteria again and paste it here, then comma, colon, less than, ampersand 3 a.m. Then you now close your bracket and hit enter. So now the total purchase that was made between 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. is 241 on this data set. So now for us to do same for the remaining data set, we simply copy, then highlight for the remaining one and Control Alt V and paste the formula. So now this is the time, this is the number of purchases that was made irrespective of the time range. So now you see that from 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. we made 241, 258, between 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. So now you can now look at this particular data to determine, to know which particular time do you make more sales and how to place adverts on your website for people to see. And you know, from this particular data set, now what we can notice from here is that we had purchase almost all throughout the time period, and this tells us that people are making our website is being interacted with 24 hours, and this could be that it is not within our country that people are making order for products on our website, that people are ordering for products from our website outside the country also. So thanks for your time and hope to see you next time. And this is and please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos in Excel 2016 for data analysis.